In this video, you'll learn how to change the screen brightness on your Google Pixel device. By the end, you will have adjusted the brightness to your preference for better visibility and comfort. Begin by accessing the Quick Settings panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of your Pixel screen. If you do not see the full panel, swipe down again. Look for the brightness slider, which is located at the top of the panel. This slider is your primary tool for quickly adjusting the screen brightness. Next, you can adjust the brightness level using the slider. Move it to the left to decrease brightness or to the right to increase it. Find a level that feels comfortable for your eyes and is suitable for your current environment. Additionally, you can enable adaptive brightness, which will automatically adjust the brightness based on your surroundings. This feature can help improve battery efficiency and enhance viewing comfort. If you require more precise control over your brightness settings, navigate to the Settings app on your device. Once in Settings, scroll down and select the Display section. Here, you will find options to enable or disable adaptive brightness, along with additional settings that can help you fine-tune the display performance. After making any adjustments in the Display section, ensure that you save your changes. This step is crucial as it confirms that your new brightness settings are applied. You can now return to your home screen and the adjustments will take effect immediately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.